Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at the F1E1 error code on your Whirlpool dishwasher and wondering what on earth it means, you're in the right place. This pesky error is one of the most common issues in 2025 models, and today, we're diving straight into it. I'll walk you through what it signifies, the likely causes, and simple solutions to get your dishwasher humming again. Let's jump in. First off, what does the F1E1 error code actually mean? In Whirlpool dishwashers, F1E1 typically points to a problem with the water inlet system. It usually means your machine isn't getting the water it needs to operate properly. This could involve issues like the dishwasher failing to fill up or detecting low water pressure. Don't panic. It's often something you can fix at home without calling a pro. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common culprits include a kinked or blocked water inlet hose, which restricts water flow. Another possibility is a faulty inlet valve that's not opening as it should. Low household water pressure can also trigger this error, or maybe there's debris in the filter blocking the water path. In some cases, it might even be a malfunctioning float switch, which senses the water level inside the tub. Identifying the root cause is key to a quick fix. Alright, time for the good part, solutions. Start with the basics. Unplug your dishwasher and turn off the water supply for safety. Check the inlet hose for any bends or clogs and straighten it out if needed. Next, inspect and clean the filters at the bottom of the dishwasher. Gunk builds up over time and can cause all sorts of problems. If that doesn't work, test your home's water pressure, aim for at least 20 psi. You might need to adjust your main water valve. For more advanced troubleshooting, use a multimeter to check the inlet valve for continuity. If it's faulty, you'll have to replace it. Always refer to your model's manual for specific instructions. If you've tried these steps and the error persists, it might be time to call in a professional technician, especially if you're dealing with electrical components. Remember, safety first. By following these tips, you could save yourself a bundle and get your dishes sparkling clean again. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home repair hacks. See you next time.